Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a customer's code to a go-ahead order. The first thing you will need to do here is go to the codes page, locate the code you would like to convert to order, for example, Q-20752, and click on Edit Code. Once you're in this section, make sure that products are selected to show up on the order form. Then scroll down at the bottom of the page and click on Process Code or Order. A preview code confirmation page will pull up on this side. Select Convert to Order or Invoice on how you would like to proceed. You may enter measure details on this part. If it's required, then input the length of time the measure would take in this field. The same goes for install details. If you choose standard time frame, the system will ask you for the install time. If you select specific time frame though, then you may enter the date and time of the installation. Apart from that, this section will also allow you to put in notes and select extras. Once you're done, click Continue. The preview code screen displays the order. If you want to update some settings on an individual order, you may go to Update Display. To proceed, scroll down to the bottom and click Process Code, and the Convert Code window will be displayed. You may click Submit Only to process the code to a new customer order. You also have the option of emailing the order confirmation if required, and can also download PDF if needed. Let's click this button. And since we've toggled the email customer PDF code, let's wait for it to load. Then it will be routed to the sender form. Input the email address here. And always ensure to click this button. Once you're all good with this, scroll down and send the email by clicking this button. And you may see that the message is successfully sent when you see this prompt. After going through the process, it will move the job from All Codes to All Orders section, and it will also appear on the Workflow Manager. You may confirm it when you access it directly here by either clicking Go to Code page or Go to Workflow page. Since I've clicked Go to Workflow page, we're now here in the Workflow Manager. In here, you can notice that the job is now beginning in O instead of Q. Any converted jobs will follow the same format since it's already in order. That's everything for now. If you want to know more, I encourage you to keep watching our videos to learn about other functions in Workflow Manager. Thank you.